Hi, my name is Sandhya, and I am here to talk about empowering your team with the role of CLM in digital transformation. We all have heard about how CLM streamlines process, increase productivity, improves efficiency, and cure arthritis. But no, I won't be talking about that today. Instead, I want to talk about the impact of CLM on people and business as a whole. CLM software isn't just about streamlining processes, it's also about equipping your team with the right tool that helps them use their brain more than their fingers. It allows them to do more with their time. Streamlining contract management processes. I said I won't be talking about streamlining processes, but I want to take that back for a minute. I guess we cannot talk about CLM's impact on people without understanding its impact on processes because a good CLM take care of hazels associated with contracting, allowing you to focus on your core strengths and dedicate your time to your area of expertise, leaving the contract's complexities to the CLM. Also, move your project forward by eliminating the roadblocks caused by time-consuming contract processes, keeping your projects moving at full speed. Brownie point for saving your company's money by reducing the risk of errors and missed deadlines, potentially saving your company from costly legal issues. Instead of spending your valuable time on administrative works, focus on what truly matters: your project, your team, and your success. Enhancing compliance management. Let's talk about business users' perspective now. As a business user, I don't necessarily go deep dive into the technical aspects of compliance management. Do we? I don't think so. However, I do appreciate the impact it has on our daily operation and sense of security. And here's my perspective. Compliance management, nothing but keeping us safe and operational. While compliance might sound like a complex legal maze, it essentially boils down to following the rules that governs our industry and protects everyone involved. From data privacy regulation to safety standards, these rules ensure we operate ethically and responsibly. CLM helps simplifying compliance for the rest of us. Thankfully, we don't have to be a legal experts ourselves. CLM acts as our compliance sidekick, handling the basic aspects. It helps us to stay on top of regulations, which keeps track of relevant regulation and alerts us to any changes, ensuring we are always up to date. Also, navigate the paperwork by automating the tedious tasks like data entry, contract approvals, freeing up us to focus on our core responsibilities. And maintain a clear audit trail, keeping a record of all the changes that made to the contracts, making it easier to demonstrate compliance during the audits. Bottom line, the peace of mind and efficiency. By utilizing the CLM, we can focus on what we do the best, minimize the risk of compliance error, and build trust with our stakeholders. Driving organizational efficiency. Fund harmony is where business and legal team operates as well-oiled machine. Business users need smooth interaction, while legal team safeguard the company's interests. But what if there was a way to manage the contract seamlessly, minimizing the involvement from both sides while fostering strong relationships? Here's how CLM facilitates seamlessness. For a business user, it has a self-service option like pre-approved templates and automated workflow empower you to initiate and manage routine contract independently, reducing reliance on the legal teams. It also provides clear communication like real-time updates and notifications, keeping you informed throughout the process without needing to constantly follow up. Simplified and secure collaboration tools facilitate communication with the legal team when needed, ensuring everyone is on the same page. For legal teams, it will be reduce workload. CLM automates repetitive tasks like contract routing and approvals, freeing up valuable time for complex legal matters. It will enhance risk mitigation by having built-in compliance features and automated workflow, ensure contracts adhere to the legal requirement by minimizing the risk. Also, CLM fosters efficient communication with business users, providing clear visibility to the contract processes and rationale behind decisions. The results. At the end, it builds strong relationship between business and legal team. CLM isn't just about technology, it's about enabling both business and legal teams to play their roles harmoniously. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more tips on the role of CLM in digital transformation.